It's crazy. So glad that they contacted me and sent me these products to try it out. It's working amazing. The longer you let it sit on there, the better. And then if you have this same brush, just move in little areas like that, and it suds right up. And then you can get in there and get a really good deep clean. It's perfect. It's such a perfect combination. What's up everybody, welcome back to another YouTube episode, and this is going to be about interior auto detailing, black leather interior. But before we get started with this video, let me just give a quick shout out to this team right here that reached out to me. They supply auto detailing supplies and they sent me some interior detail supplies. I'm going to tag their Instagram right here in the video, and they go by the name of, it's called SILEX, I believe. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but I'm gonna attach all of their information to contact them in the link down below, so you can contact them. Just check my bio, and I'll also tag their Instagram right here. So they reached out to me on Instagram and they sent me some products for an interior detail video. They didn't sponsor this video, they didn't send me any money or nothing to do this video, but I thought it'd be a good idea, since they sent me some products, to test out their products and make an interior detailing video. So I'm gonna be using the Hydro USA team products, and I'll show you guys more details about the products that I'm using on the inside of my leather interior. But for the tools, I'm going to be using brushes and stuff from Chemical Guys, so I'll show you guys the brushes that I use and stuff like that. But I'm going to show you guys some techniques that I use on interior detailing and give you guys a review on these products and let you know what I think about this company. This is the trailer that I'm going to be showing on my channel soon, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss how I talk about how I built this trailer, what I did to it. I'll get it cleaned up. But yeah, stay tuned to see this trailer on my channel. I'll have more of this coming up soon. So this is a preparation. This one is a preparation for the interior cleaner that I'm going to use next. And that one is called the Hydro Slick Recharge Interior Ceramic Coating. So this is the prep. This is like a two-step cleaner. So we're going to use this one, the plastic and leather cleaner, then we're going to follow it up with the ceramic recharge cleaner. So I bet it's going to look even better when we apply that. So let's get this top board. I'm going to spray it onto my brush, get it worked in on there. Spray a little bit on my brush. Okay. Then I got my microfiber to wipe the excess off after I clean it. So we're going to spray a little bit on the seat. I'm going to grab my interior brush right here. So let's slowly rub it in. I think their products are going to be top notch. So we're just going to rub that in a little bit. The longer it's on there, the better it's going to clean. And you see the horsehair brush, it leaves a little bit of strands behind. That's why we got this microfiber right here. It's washed, but it's just stained and stuff. But we're going to use that to wipe all that up. Do some on this side right here. Grab your brush, do one squirt. I'm gonna prime my pad like that. Lightly spray it over the seat, and we're gonna rub it in. My favorite thing about this product is the way it just soaks up. Like that's good stuff. Nice. I use this little Walmart brush for my vacuum to get stuff out. Works pretty good. Oop. I'm put my hand on there. Just rehydrate it. You don't really want to touch it. You want to let it sit and let the ceramic coating fully soak up in the seat. That way you're fully protected. Spray it on the seat. I don't always have people in my car, so my seats aren't too bad, but general maintenance doesn't hurt, and it holds the value of your vehicle. Your vehicle is an investment, so you might as well protect it. So it's worth money in the long run when people come to inspect it and buy it off you, or you trade it in. There. Get your mitt on, makes it much more easier. And rub it in. Get a little bit on there. Get your detail brush before it drips. Get that logo. Get the airbag, around the airbag. Work it in there. Work it, work it. I love the way it dries. Like, just dries like super nice. The steering wheel is very complicated and complex. So like, I think what we're gonna do is spray it on the brush and then work it in like that. But I mean, it bugs me because this is something that I see every day when I'm driving this car. Like, I see the little dust or like streaks when the sun hits it. That really bugs me. Like, I don't like seeing that on my cars. I don't like seeing imperfections on my interior detailing, especially as an auto detailer, you know. Like, why is my car looking like this? It's not professional. You know, you don't want to see no leftover like streaks from whatever you're using, and I'm not getting no streaks from this. It's looking good. When I was younger and I first got into auto detailing, the dashboard was like my priority. My dashboard would always be looking like top notch. Nowadays I just be neglecting my dashboard, but I think it's time to take back pride in my dashboard detailing. Send me more of this. This stuff is a sauce, man. This stuff works great. This is the best combo. It's the best combo right here. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today. As you can see, the results came out really good. Take a look back at the videos. You can see there was nothing left, no residue left, no streaks left. It dried up pretty nice and it protected the seats and gave them a nice, like a matte look. That's the way I like to see it. My seats look really hydrated. The interior looks really good. I like the product, so it came out really nice. If you guys are looking for someone that has, you know, affordable quality interior products, then you can check them out. I'm curious to see how their exterior products are, so I might try a few things out with them, like soaps and stuff like that. But I definitely need to get some more of the ceramic interior protectant, the recharge, since my bottle fell and broke. I'm still pretty sad about that because I really liked the way the performance was and it was coming out really nice. So I'm gonna have to get some more ceramic recharge to match with my other supply that I have of the all-purpose cleaner and then the plastic and leather cleaner. But everything came out pretty good. Thanks again, guys, for reaching out to me, and thanks for sending me these products so I could review them and test them out on my car. But I also needed to do the interior on my Mercedes, so it came out really good, worked out perfectly. So if anybody wants to send any other types of automotive products as well, you can go ahead and email me or DM me on Instagram, and I can test them out on my vehicles and let you guys know what I think. And that way other customers can see, you know, the results of your products, or see what other people think about them, or someone who is a little experienced in auto detailing. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful if you're looking to do the interior detail of your vehicle. So that's it for today. I'll catch you guys on another episode of auto detailing. Like I said, I got that little trailer that I showed you. That'll probably be my next video, so I'll show you guys what I did on that little build. But until then, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and check out my other videos.